Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sierra Vista local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a high-quality, affordable moving company serving Sierra Vista, Arizona, known for great customer service. Our excellent crews assist residential and commercial customers with local, long-distance, and international moves. The quality of the wide range of the moving services that we provide and the cheap moving rates makes us one of the best moving companies in Sierra Vista, AZ. Moving into a new house may be a stressful experience. Moving will necessitate a great deal of organization and planning. However, no amount of planning will entirely prepare you for the difficulty of moving. Whether you have a large or little family, a lot of properties or not, or a long or short distance to relocate to, 3 Movers is everything you need. 3 Movers takes care of all the logistics and provides quality moving services. During the relocation procedure, all of your belongings are meticulously inventoried. We make sure that the entire process of moving is as seamless as possible. We take care of everything, freeing you of the stress of organizing your move with the least risk. We will also help you unpack in the desired rooms if you would like. We've got you covered at 3 Movers. We will handle all aspects of your foreign transfer. We specialize in the transportation of all types of products and valuables. So, whatever you choose to bring with you, we will transport it to your new place. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sierra